Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to see about the experiment determination of heating value of fuel using bomb calorimeter. So in front of you lies the entire setup of a bomb calorimeter in our department laboratory. On the right hand corner you can see there is a weighing scale. Then there are two containers with their water containers. Then you have a voltmeter and a bomb. And this is the compressor equipment which is used to make solid fuel into a pallet, and there is a stirrer for exhibition. Along with that we have an oxygen cylinder with gauges. So in this experiment what we are going to do is we will first open this in this bomb. I have just opened the bomb, and you can see there is a small cup here in which the fuel will be placed, and once it is placed it will be closed down. Before placing the fuel, what will happen is we will be cleaning all these things and enrich it with proper oxygen supply here. And this bit is quite a heavy one because it should withstand the explosion. And in the top of the thing you can see that there are two ports given through which this voltmeter connection will be given. It will be connected here. Then this tube is the outlet. Once when the explosion happens, the gases will be sent out and the pressure, outlet pressure, will be measured through that gauge. In this gauge you can see it is being monitored as kg per centimeter square and pounds per square inch. And this outlet pressure is taken out. And now once this bomb is being fitted with the respective fuel, if it is a solid fuel, that solid fuel will be kept in this device and it will be made like a pallet size. Pallet na, for instance, a tablet size or Crosin tablet. On the size we will make it and we will place it inside that. And if it is a liquid fuel that we are going to test, whether it is petrol or aircraft jet fuel, what we will do is we will soak it in cotton and we will place it in that small container here. So after placing it, what we will do, we will place the bomb. We will close that bomb tightly and we will place the bomb inside this container with full of water, and then we will place the container into this shell. Into this shell, you can see how the shell looks. And there is the stirrer. The stirrer will be located inside the water. That is the gap between the bomb and the container. The stirrer will be there, and the stirrer is used to stir the water once the explosion has happened. Once we have all placed it, we will be connecting this stirrer to the current socket. We will not turn on the stirrer until the explosion happens. Then here you can see there is a trigger here. We will trigger the explosion. Once the trigger is triggered and explosion happens, this stirrer will be turned on. It will be in the turn off position and we can turn it on. Once it is turned on, what will happen? Due to explosion there will be enormous heat emitting out of this bomb into this container with water. So that water will be absorbing all the heat, and the stirrer will be constantly stirring the water inside this container. So what will happen? We can take the temperature readings from the thermometers that we have inserted into the casing into this water. So we will be taking the reading of the heat that is being absorbed by the water from the bomb. Okay, so that is the reading, and from that we can calculate what is the heat value using our calculations given in the manual. So this is the general procedure of a bomb calorimeter. We will see in the next experiment.